Kuye kwamemeza abaprofeti emandulo kumemeza abantu abadala kangaka ngwe bantwana kanisaleleli ngani umbiko wokuzalwa kwenkosi uJesu nazo inkanyezi yende nazo zonke mayandelwa isazi zifele mpu.
In January 2011, we're leaving from our home in Northern Ireland to drive to Cape Town. Our route will mostly take us down the east coast of Africa, partially as it's more stable on the west coast, and partially as we know a little more about it.
Our intended route will take us to the Alps, to Italy, from where we'll cross into Tunisia. From here, we will travel east through Libya to Egypt, where we'll then turn south, following the Nile through Sudan, Ethiopia and Kenya. We're intending to climb Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, and then take a long detour right round Lake Victoria, taking in southern Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda and hopefully Burundi.
From there we'll head south into Mozambique, then we'll cut west through Malawi, possibly via friends in Zimbabwe. Then we'll continue to reach Skeleton Coast through Zambia, Botswana and Namibia. Finally we'll head southeast to Port Elizabeth, and then finish along the garden route to Cape Agulhas, the southernmost point in Africa, and up into Cape Town itself.
Qinsi lo mprofeti indleko nazo zonke